This is just a quick Google Earth tour to show you the river systems that are featured in the stream flow diagrams in the lecture material. So I'm just going to do this relatively quickly so you can have some sense of where these streams and rivers are located. And then you can go back and take a look at it on the PowerPoint video if you want to. The first set of streams is located in the Ohio River drainage. So here is the broad Ohio River drainage. But we were specifically at first place in an area near Crawfordsville, Indiana, and a small creek called Sugar Creek. So you can get a sense here that this is a pretty small creek with a relatively small watershed as well. Here you can see the creek going by the city here, not very large. That changes when we go to Mount Carmel, Illinois, which is fed by many small streams and creeks like Sugar Creek. The name of the river that we looked at in that second diagram was the Wabash River. Here you can see it's much larger, more significant, contains a lot of larger streams and creeks that flow into it. Now from here, let's go out and take a look at the Ohio River, located in the area here near Metropolis, Illinois. And here you can see much bigger river. It contains many tributaries of the same size of the Wabash. From here, let's fly all the way out to the Great Basin area of Nevada and Utah. And that's the stream we saw in Caliente, Nevada. Here's the town. And we can get a quick peek of the creek. And what's significant here is not so much its size, as you'll recall, but that it doesn't have a lot of flow in it for pretty much all the year, except when there's a big thunderstorm someplace in the hills and mountains in its watershed, and it can dramatically increase quite quickly. And then the final creek we looked at, or river we looked at actually, was a large river, very flat area in southeast, the Swanee River. And we'll fly down here. Big flat drainage, very large watershed, but very little relief. So the river tends to flow pretty consistently over the course of the entire year. It definitely swells with precipitation, but that precipitation swelling can be quite delayed. So that's just a quick tour. I encourage you to take a look at the graphs again on the PowerPoint if you'd like to sort of go back and forth between these two.